Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play songs in Spotify with your friends. It's very quick and easy. Just watch the video till the end. By the way, this feature is only available on Spotify Premium. So let's move on. So first, select a song you want to listen with your friends. Then, click the song you're playing. Just click this button and click End. Then, click Start Jam and click the Share Link button, and it will direct you to the messaging app section. You can also share the song by using QR code, and that's it. It's really simple and quick. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.